You are a course creator who wants to engage students and measure learning effectively, right? Assessment can be a daunting topic, but it's worth exploring if you want to understand how to best support your learners and improve your course. Would you like practical strategies for incorporating meaningful assessment into your courses? How would you like to understand how to use assessment for learning, of learning, and as learning? Would you like to apply practical suggestions for assessment experiences that align with active learning activities? The Teaching Excellence Measurements of Learning course provides you with a practical teaching and learning toolkit for immediate use in your class sessions. Filled with engaging videos, real-life examples of effective strategies, and input from experts, this powerful 2-hour course is relevant but also short, saving you time by getting right to the point and providing you with downloadable cheat sheets for later use. I'll see you in the Teaching Excellence Measurements of Learning course.